Now children, and 26 number is their question number, where atom or element contain 29 electrons. So we have to find out the number of protons. In 9th class we have learned about it, that number of electrons theta always equal to number of protons. So here when we'll talk about the number of electrons, that is 29. So we do for solution that number of proton is also equal to 29. Now 29, that is copper when we'll talk about. So 29 when we are writing, so we are having a need of argon. ये मैं लिख रही हूँ डायरेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन. अब आर्गन का क्या है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. अब 3p में से इलेक्ट्रॉन जाता है 4s में एंड देन 3d. Okay children, so here that is only the element in which you can see that here whatever the particular 18. Now 29 minus 18, how many electrons are there remaining? So we have the remaining electron, that is equal to 11. So what we are doing is after 3p6, that is 4s2, 3d, how many you can write over here? 3d 9. तो ये पॉसिबल होगा नहीं. So what we are writing is that due to the stability, the electron are going to be there fulfilled in 3d first and then 4s1. So either you can write this or you can write that 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d 10. So that is the electronic configuration for this particular. So children, that is the question number you can see over here. This is question number 26, you can just see over here. Here question number 27 is based on the, again we have to find out the number of electron in the species, that is H2 plus molecule, H2 molecule and O2 plus molecule. Children, here we see the solution over here. H2 हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल बना है हाइड्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन एटम को मिलके. हमें पता है हाइड्रोजन में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 1, again 1, so 1 plus 1, that is 2. So H2 molecule when we'll talk about, it is having how many electrons? 2. Now H2 plus means it lost 1 electron. उसके पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन थे? 2 में से एक चला गया. So when we'll talk about H2 plus, so it lost 1 electron. So it contained 1 electron inside in it. And O2 plus ion, so O2, oxygen molecule is there made up of O plus O, that means oxygen atom and oxygen atom. Oxygen atom, that is having 8 electron, again oxygen atom 8. So O2 oxygen molecule में कितने electron है? 16. Now we have number of electron which we have to find in O2 plus. प्लस 1 इंडिकेट करता है कि वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कर रहा है. डेट मीन 16 में से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जा रहा है बाहर. सो इट कंटेन हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन? 15 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो दैट इज अबाउट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. So please kindly children copy down the particular all the solution for chapter number 22. Otherwise it's very difficult for you that which question we have to do or not to do. 28 is having the sub particular parts. Very first part already we have done. n is equal to 3 है तो l की वैल्यू क्या होगी? So if n is equal to 3, then l is equal to n minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. And ml is also depend on l. So minus l, 2 plus l. So minus 2, 2 plus 2. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. So that is the very first one you can see over here. Already we have done. Second is also same with 3d orbital. We have to write down the value of L and ml for 3d orbital. So what we are doing is the same thing. L is equal to what? Here L is equal to 2 and ml is equal to 2 minus 2, 2 plus 2 because it's there. So that is also the same answer we have. Now the last one is very important. Which one is not possible? 1p. Because p starts with 0 and 1 we don't. P starts with 2. So whenever the notation is given over here, so p is there noted by 2 n is equal to 2. So here it is not possible. We can write that 2s, yes, this is possible, orbital. 2p is also possible, orbital. Again 3f is not possible, orbital. So this is the particular subpart which we have solved. So you can just see, have a look on this. Very first we have done already, second also, and third which we have to write that which one is possible or which one is not possible, children. So you can just copy this particular question. So here, children, you can just see this question is also have asked in the assessment. By the using of S, P and D notations, we have to describe the orbital which are given over here. N is equal to 1 and L is equal to 0. N is equal to 1 indicating 1. L is equal to 0 indicating 1s. So that orbital is 1s. Now N is equal to 4. So the orbital starts with 4. L is equal to 2. So 1. L is equal to 0 with S, P and that is 4D. Okay, children. Now here N is equal to 3. L is equal to 1. So that is 3P. And here L is equal to 3, so this orbital is 4f. So you can see the particular solution of this particular one, children. Kindly copy it down, and already have asked in the assessment part, so you have idea that how to do that particular. So this is the very next question, 21, question number 29. So here we have to find out that which particular set is possible by the value of principal quantum number n, azimuthal quantum number L, then ML, that is we can say that magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. Children, when we talked about the very first one, 0, n is equal to 0, principal quantum number is not starts with 0, so that set is not possible. This is the reason that n starts with 1, 2, 3, not with 0. Second, n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, ML is equal to 0, MS equal to minus half. So this is possible because n is equal to 1, here L is equal to 0, so 1s, so it has no orientation, so ML is equal to 0. Now here, when we talked about n is equal to third one, 1, L is equal to 1, ML is equal to 0, MS is equal to plus half, so it is not possible because whenever n is equal to 1, L always must be 0, so that is not possible. Fourth one, n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, ML is equal to 3, and MS is equal to minus half, so that is also possible set. Then next one, n is equal to 3, L is equal to 3. So n 3 होगा तो L हमेशा 2 होगा, तो ये भी सेट पॉसिबल होगा नहीं. And the last one, n is equal to 3, L is equal to 1, ML is equal to 0, MS is equal to plus half. So here, children, when we talked about this 3 minus 1 2, so here we can write minus 2 to plus 2, ML is equal to 5. So here this is somewhat which we have to change about. So this set is also possible. So this is the question number, solution for question number 30. So you can just copy this particular one, children. Next question 31, which is there, we have to find out the number of electrons by the using of quantum number. Here n is equal to 4 and m is equal to minus half, spin quantum number is half, which indicating that how many are paired and how many are unpaired. So we are starting with this. N is equal to 4 hai. We are just having the formula which we have learned in 9th class, that is 2n square. So 2 into 4 square, 16 2s are 32. So ये fully paired हो जाएगा अगर इसमें electron, अगर हम when we are just occupying that electron in the orbitals. But due to that half spin, that going to be electrons are going to be half. So the number of electrons are 16. Now n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0 जब भी होगा तो वो s orbital होगी, children. So that is 3s orbital. S orbital हमेशा अपने आप में कितने electrons रख सकता है? 2. So here the number of electrons is 2. So that is the question number 31. So you can see the solution over here. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 वेरी थरोली. ये हमने बहुत बार किया हुआ है कि सरकमफ्रेंसिस होता है 2πr बोर ऑर्बिट के अकॉर्डिंग. तो वॉट एवर दैट पर्टिकुलर फॉर हाइड्रोजन एटम, सो दैट इज देयर इन द इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल फॉर द डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ. दैट मीन्स हमें ये प्रूव करना है दैट 2πr इज इक्वल टू n इंटू लैम्बडा. सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट प्रूव इट. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू बोर वॉट वी हैव दैट circumference is equal to nh upon 2 pi. So what we are doing is now लैम्बडा अकॉर्डिंग टू डी ब्रॉगली लैम्बडा इज इक्वल टू एच अपॉन एम बी। तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, एम बी इज इक्वल टू वॉट, एन एच अपॉन 2πr लिख देते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी हम लिखेंगे एम बी इज इक्वल टू एच अपॉन लैम्बडा। नाउ वी दैट इज सपोज ए एंड दैट इज बी, तो दोनों को अगर हम लोग इक्वलाइज करते हैं तो मुझे क्या मिल रहा है, दैट एन एच अपॉन 2πr डेट इज इक्वल टू एच अपॉन लैम्बडा। तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई अगर मैं कर रही हूँ तो 2πr डेट इज इक्वल टू एन लैम्बडा इंटू एच अपॉन एच। तो ये एच एच कट हो रहे हैं, तो मुझे मिल रहा है कि सर्कमफ्रेंसेस ऑफ द बोर ऑर्बिटल विच इज गिवन दैट इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल ऑफ द वेवलेंथ ऑफ द डी ब्रोगली इक्वेशन। सो चिल्ड्रन यू कैन कॉपी दिस। जो भी बोर ने इक्वेशन दिया है एंगुलर मोमेंटम एम वी आर के लिए वो है एन एच अपन 2π, और डी ब्रॉगली का इक्वेशन लैम्बडा वेवलेंथ के लिए लैम्बडा इज इक्वल टू एच अपन एम बी। अब हम क्या करेंगे, हमें वी रिक्वायर्ड द सर्कमफ्रेंसेस, सो वी आर जस्ट राइटिंग एम बी को अगर हम लिख रहे हैं तो ये एम बी डी ब्रॉगली के इक्वेशन से देगा एच अपॉन लैम्बडा, और अगर हम लोग ये जो भी है मोमेंटम फॉर द बोर्स दैट इज इक्वल टू एन एच अपॉन 2π। अब ये ए और बी को हम इक्वलाइज कर रहे हैं तो मुझे मिल रहा है एच अपॉन लैम्बडा दैट इज़ फॉर डी ब्रॉगली एंड एन एच अपॉन 2πr दैट इज़ फॉर बोर। सो हम क्या करेंगे, 2πr क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो 2πr दैट इज इक्वल टू ये एच यहाँ पे चला जाएगा एन इंटू एच, ये लैम्बडा इधर जा रहा है और एच, तो मुझे मिल रहा है दैट 2πr that is equal to n into lambda that is there in the integral multiple of this. So that is the particular question number 32 already we have done, then also again we have repeated this. So kindly copy this and then we are moving to the next particular question, children. So now the question number 2.57, that is depend on the again de Broglie equation, children. So here I have not written that particular whole term on the board, we'll just solve it on the board so you can just see it carefully, children. that we are having the particular velocity that is given 1.6 into 10 raised to 6 for the electron. Now that both value we known with that value, that is the h, that is Planck's constant, and that is the mass of the electron. So whatever the wavelength which we are getting, that is there in meter, that is 4.55 into 10 raised to minus 10 meters. So that is the solution for question number 57. Kindly copied it, then we will move to the very next question. Children, whatever the question I have wrote on the board, that only we have to solve, none other than which is there given in the textbook, more than 67 questions, so many of them they are excluded. Whatever we have done, that only we have to do. So kindly copy this question number 57. So here also we have to find out the velocity by using of de Broglie equation, children. So we can just see the solution. यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन एक चेंज आप देखोगे, इंस्टेड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन वी हैव न्यूट्रॉन. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन वी हैव टू राइट द मास ऑफ द न्यूट्रॉन, and 800 picometer we have to convert into meter. So we see the solution for this. I have just look on it. Have just done the solution where mass of neutron I have written instead of 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन था वो, यहाँ पे है मास ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन, तो मैंने लिखा है 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27. अब आपने जो भी वॉट एवर द पर्टिकुलर सोल्यूशन का जो भी वॉट एवर द हेडिंग इज देयर वेयर वी हैव 800 picometer. So I have converted into meter, it is 800 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter. So whatever the last value which we are getting, there is 4.94 into 10 raised to minus 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड इनवर्स. सो दो डिजिट अगर हमें निकालने हैं, डेसिमल निकालना है, तो प्लस -2, डेट मीन्स 2 - 2 0. सो 4.94 इंटू 10 raised to minus 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 494 meter per second. So this is the very last question for today. In the next particular, only 2-3 numericals are remaining, which we are continuing in the next video, and then we are moving to chapter number 3, children. Thank you and have a nice day.